Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Techland. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a PNG with transparency. So we have a text, and if I want to export it as a quick PNG, you can see the background also got exported. Now what we have to do is just simply deselect the bottom layer and now press quick export as PNG. Now if we open the file, we can see only the text got exported. Similarly, if we create a custom made shape, for example, today I'm going to create a film camera or a film logo, and if I want to give this logo to a client, or I personally want to use this logo to different artworks, then I have to export a PNG. We will simply deselect the background and export it as a quick PNG, and that's it. It's just a very simple way to export a PNG, but you can also export the PNG through export as, and that's it. So thank you very much for watching.